Hi everyone, welcome to Happy New Kids Learning. Today we'll be learning about Indian Independence Day. So children, first let us wish each other a happy Independence Day. Do you know the meaning of Indian Independence Day? Do you understand the meaning of Independence Day, children? That was a very big story but very interesting one. Let's listen to the story of Indian independence. Thousands of years ago, India was known as Golden Bird because Indians used to work very hard in each and every field like agriculture, business, and even in trading. They used to trade with other countries also. The silk, spices, jewel, cotton, and the wheat grains produced in India is very popular in other countries. There was a huge craze for made in India goods. People were ready to pay any price for them. For this reason, the people of India had a rich trade parties with other countries. The Indians received gold in return for the goods they sold. In this way, the India was known as the Golden Bird. And the property of India had attracted the foreign invaders like Mughals, Portuguese, Dutch, French, and British. These invaders took all the richness of India and made India and Indians as a slave to their greed. Indians and India became enslaved. It was like living in a big jail inside our own houses. So then started independence. Independence means freedom. Thousands of brave men, women, and children raised their voice to be free from these foreign invaders. Many great people like Mangal Pandey, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, Rani Lakshmibai, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Gandhiji, and many more brave people came forward and openly challenged these invaders. Leave India, quit India. This was not so easy, staying away from their families, sometimes in jail, sometimes hiding themselves, sometimes even without food. They raised their voice only for one thing: leave India, quit India. Imagine children staying in our own houses and we can't eat, we can't sleep, we can't read, and we can't play the way we want to do. These people are so dedicated to free India. After thousands of freedom fighters' sacrifices, finally India got independence after a long history of struggle and sacrifice on 15th August 1947. The last foreign invader left India, we got independence. Independence means freedom. From then, India became of the Indians, by the Indians, and for the Indians. And our tricolor national flag is the symbol of Indian independence. Our national flag, Tiranga, has three colors: saffron for strength, white for peace, and green for prosperity. And the Ashok Chakra stands for Dharma. Look at the diversity in India, children. The people of India speak more than 1600 different languages and more than 6400 communities of people live peacefully with each other. This year we are going to celebrate 74th Independence Day. So once again, a happy Independence Day. If you enjoyed with me, kids, see you soon. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Jai Hind.